Hello everyone, today I will focus on how can determine equivalent resistance between A and B terminal. Look here very carefully. First of all, we have focus on which part is series and which one is parallel. Okay, look here. If you see, these two look like parallel. Why? Because if this one is C point, so that point is also and this one is B and this one is also B. Clear? So these two are parallel. That's why what about equivalent resistance? 18 into 9 divided by 27 is how much? Simply you can say that 18 into 9 divided by 27, 6 ohm. So basically that one is 6 ohm combination. I hope so clear. Now after that, if you see these two part also parallel. Okay, if C and this one is D, so it is very simple. So combination of these two, 20 into 5 divided by 25, 5 5 is 4, so basically 4 ohm. Clear? Now next target. After that, if you see very carefully, so finally you can say that you can remove this one. So basically you can say that simply look here. Okay, after that combination of these two is 6 ohm, so you can remove this. Okay, and add here simply how much? 6 ohm, and combination of this is 4 ohm, so you can remove this one and retain 4 ohm. Very simple. I hope so clear. Now next target, combination of these two, both are in series, so that is 5 ohm. Now next, 5 and 20 both are in parallel, so how much? 4 ohm. Clear? Combination of 20 and 5 is how much? 4 ohm, and we are missing here, that is 2 ohm. Not okay, this one is 2 ohm. Now after that, I hope so clear. Now next target, 4 and 2 both are in series, so combination of these two, 4 plus 2, that is 6. So you can say that 4 plus 2, that is 6. So simply now this one is 20 and 4 plus 2, that is 6 ohm, and this one is 6 ohm. Okay, here A and here B, so 6 and 6 both are in parallel, so combination, that is 3 ohm. So R of AB is finally 20 plus 3, that is 23 ohm is the right answer. Make it. Okay.